Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to enter into your DFU mode, device firmware upgrade mode. This is the last step on troubleshooting at home of your Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max. If you have a freeze frame, if you have a damaged phone, you cannot enter into it, you do not have function in it, then this is the last thing to get back in business with your smartphone. So, for this, you have to perform a little bit button smashing experience thing. First thing, you will need an Lightning to USB cable. Then you will need a source with iTunes still running and updated. Then you need your Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max. So if you have this, start iTunes. iTunes is started and updated as well. Then the next step is, if you're using a tablet like here, you have to use the USB hub too, because the tablet is not strong enough to handle the information flow of your iPhone and the energy flow at the same time. For this, we will need a USB hub. So let's start. Now we are getting the wire. That means USB to Lightning wire, and you have to use, in this case, only in this case, if you use a tablet. If you use a PC or a Mac, you do not need a USB hub. Then connect the USB hub to your device, for example, a tablet. Then the next step is plug in your iPhone. And then we can begin immediately. You have to perform a little button smashing. On the left side, you can see volume up and volume down button. You have to push this two and then rotate to the right side. You have to push the power button. But there are three buttons in this thing. First step is push the volume up, then push the volume down, and then it's time to push the power off until the screen will be black. If it's black, continue with volume down plus the power button. If this is for approximately 5 seconds, you can remove or release the power button, but still push the volume down button. After this action, a couple of seconds, you will enter the DFU mode. With the DFU mode, you're able to reset your phone, erase all data, and get back in the system. So, power plus volume up plus volume down plus USB cable to Lightning cable plus a PC, a Mac, or a tablet with Apple iTunes still running. Okay, then we can perform it. Let's start now. Plug in your Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max into your Mac or PC or hub. Then it's time for the volume up, volume down, and power button. Now still pushing the power button until the screen is black. This is now. Now you have to push volume down plus the power button for approximately 5 seconds. Now release the power button and still press the volume down button. After a couple of seconds, you can see the screen on the tablet or PC or Mac will have information for you that you are in DFU mode. Now you are able to enter into iTunes or enter with iTunes into your phone. And then you have a couple of things. You can erase all data, you can reset it, factory reset, or you can get other iTunes or iOS version for your Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max. Then you can handle this for the last step of troubleshooting. Job's done after this. Then after the reset, your iPhone is software based like new, factory reset. The DFU mode is the last step to get back your iPhone into business. Yeah. If you do not handle this at the right timing, you can restart your iPhone by pushing volume up, volume down, plus, or then push the power button until you can see the iPhone brand on the screen. Then the iPhone will reset or reboot, not reset. If you're taking a reset on iTunes, then you can have a full, completely factory reset with it. So, okay, these are the steps. First step, dock in your iPhone, iTunes on, still running, with your computer on Mac. Then push volume up, push volume down, and then push and hold the power button until you have a black screen. If you have a black screen, push the volume down button at the same time for approx 5 seconds. Then release the power button on the right side, but still pushing the volume down button until you have information on your screen. Then you're entering into the DFU mode. At the DFU mode, you can have a reset of your phone, or you can repair it, or you can have another options too. Volume up, volume down, power button pushing, then release everything, then you come back into your standard mobile phone. This is only the hard reset. The DFU mode is volume up, volume down, power button, wait a little bit, then push the power button plus the volume down button, then remove the power button and still pushing the volume down button until you reach the DFU mode. Last step of DIY thing for you at home. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon. Soon.